Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your SMS marketing, including creating and sending SMS blasts and turn on automated campaigns in your Zolmi account. The benefits of using Zolmi SMS marketing include increased client visit and booking frequency by bringing clients back with smart reminders and well-timed promotions. Boost revenue through targeted, timely offers that highlight your most profitable services and fill last-minute gaps. Keep clients engaged with personal automated campaigns that feel thoughtful and help build long-term loyalty. Want to keep your clients coming back with zero extra effort? Here's how to get started with SMS campaigns. Start by going to the menu above your calendar and choose Marketing. Let's begin by showing you how to set up automated SMS campaigns that regularly send to clients based on their activity. You can choose from ready-to-use templates like birthday messages to celebrate your clients, follow-ups after a client's first visit, win-back campaigns for clients who haven't been in for a while, reminders to rebook an appointment, online booking invitations to make it easier for them to return. You just need to activate the campaign you want, and that's it. Zolmi will send the messages for you exactly when they're needed. Now let's learn how to create and send SMS blast campaigns with Zolmi. Here's how to do it step by step. Start with your message. You can use or edit the prepared SMS templates or create your own. To add a new one, click Add SMS Template. Make your campaign the most effective by personalizing your message. To do so, please use the insert tags to automatically add details like the client's first name or your business name. To drive more booking, don't forget to use the link tag for adding a link to your online booking page. Once you are happy with your message, check the preview and hit the button Save. Now let's choose who to send your SMS one-off campaign to by creating a client list. Click the button Add List. You can then use filters like clients' birthdays, visit or purchase history, review scores, and more. You can also create a manual list simply by adding everyone or selecting clients one by one. Then give your client list a name and save it. And now you're ready to send your campaign. Go to Marketing Campaigns and click Add Campaign. Give your campaign a name and description, choose the client list and SMS template, then click Schedule Campaign. Next, select the date and time you want the message to be sent and hit Save. You'll then see a final preview of your message. Send yourself a test SMS to double-check everything. If you're happy with how it looks, simply close the window. Your campaign is now scheduled and ready to go. That concludes how to set up your SMS marketing campaigns with Zolmi. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.